Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a recipe that I really love, and some other people in my life really love it too. So what we're making today is some delicious carrot cake cupcakes. I love them. Okay, so let me show you what you need, quick and easy. Well, it's not so quick and easy, but let me show you what you need. Please excuse my nails, they're horrendous and I need to redo them. We need 150 grams of flour, 5 mils of baking powder, 3.5 mils of bicarb, 7.5 mils of cinnamon, 2.5 mils of salt, 150 grams of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of oil, vegetable oil, and a cup of grated carrots. We then need 2 eggs, 25 grams of chopped pecans, and 125 grams of crushed pineapple. That's everything. That's all we need. Okay, so let's get to making these carrot cake cupcakes. So before you get started, make sure that your oven is being preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Get your muffin dish and grease it. Now if you're smart, unlike me, and you have some muffin liners, use it. I forgot to buy some. So as per usual, we're going to wing it in this kitchen. Popping them in the liner. So there we have it. I've done those. Not the most elegant solution, but it works. Okay, so now let's get to making our cupcakes. Okay, so what we do is add our bicarb, sugar, salt, not sugar, bicarb, salt, and baking powder and our cinnamon into this little bowl. I'm then going to run them through the sieve so it's all nice and lump free. So my sieve is dirty, so I'm just going to whisk it all together, which has a similar effect, kind of, not really, but there shouldn't be any huge floury lumps, and all of those should be well combined. All right, then in a bigger pot, so we put our oil in there. Whoops, that's not oil, that's sugar. We put our sugar in there, we put our oil in there, and our 2 eggs. Boop. If I were a knight, my title would probably be Heather the Never Fully Prepared. Okay, we beat this together. We then add our pineapple, our carrots, and our nuts. Alright, now we gradually add our flour mixture, everything that's in there. Okay, now we pour that mixture into our lined muffin tins with a spoon. Whoops. Off to a roaring start. There they are, all done. Okay, now we're going to pop those in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, I just ran out of stuff to fill the last muffin tin, so we've only got 6, 9, 11 cupcakes. So those are going in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to pop those in and see you then. Bye. All right, our muffins are just about done. So I'm just going to pull those out of the oven and show you. Quick. Perfect. Okay, so they're obviously a little bit wonky because of my lack of muffin liners. So like as you can see with this one, it's a little bit wonky there, but these are perfectly cooked. Okay, so I'm going to let those cool, and then we're going to come back and do the icing and everything else that we need to do to finish them off. So I'll see you guys when these have cooled off a little bit. Okay, so our cupcakes are nice and cool, and I've made up a cream cheese icing, the same icing that we used in the Pikachu recipe, Pikachu cake recipe. Link up here, link down there, wherever, somewhere. You will find it, and also all of the ingredients, measurements, everything down in the description below. Okay, so I am not using a piping bag. I am just going to scoop it on with this because I like them to look a little more rustic. So let's get to it. Hold on, there's still chunks of butter in this. And the finishing touch is to just sprinkle some chopped up pecans on top of them. They didn't look farmy enough, now they do. There you have it, carrot cake cupcakes. Okay, let's transfer a few over to a plate. So there you have it. Doesn't want to focus on them. Carrot cake cupcakes. They're absolutely delicious, I love them. All right. I don't want to drop those on the floor, they're for someone's birthday. All right, but there you have it. Carrot cake cupcakes. It is actually a really easy and simple recipe, and you know, they're delicious. They honestly are delicious. I didn't like carrot cake until I had this carrot cake, so I highly recommend you try it. It really is good. And yeah, so that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below, and if you would like to support me and this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.